Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of road length as per the third 20-year road plan, that is Lucknow road plan. Question is given as area of Maharashtra is 308,000 kilometer square, number of towns is equals to 216 and number of villages is equals to 41833. Find out the length of all the roads according to the third 20-year road plan, that is Lucknow road plan. Now, according to the third 20-year road plan, we know that length of national highway will be equals to area divided by 50. Now, in the question, area is given as 308,000. We have to divide this value by 50. After solving this, we will get the answer as 6160 kilometer. That will be the length of national highway. Now, we have to compute the value of length of state highway, and it will be the maximum of area divided by 25 or 62.5 into number of towns minus length of national highway. Okay, now we have to compute these values. Firstly, we have to find the value of area upon 25. It will be equals to 308,000 divided by 25. After solving this, we will get the answer as 12320 kilometer. Now, according to the second formula, that is 62.5 into number of towns, which will be equals to 216 minus length of national highway, it will be equals to 6160. After solving this, we will get the answer as 7340 kilometer. Now the maximum of these two will be the length of state highway. So the length of state highway will be equals to 12320 kilometer. That will be the length of state highway. Now we have to compute the length of major district road, that is length of MDR. It will be equals to maximum of area divided by 12.5 or 90 into number of towns. Now we will put the value here, that is area 308,000 divided by 12.5, it will be equals to 24640 kilometer. And according to the second formula, that is 90 into number of town, it will be equals to 216. After solving this, we will get 19440 kilometer. Now the length of major district road will be the maximum of these two. So the length of MDR will be equals to 24640 kilometer. Now we had computed the length of major district road. Now we have to move to the total road length, that is total road length will be equals to 4.75 into number of towns and villages, which will be equals to 216 plus 41833. After solving this, we will get answer as 199733 kilometer, and the second formula is road density into area. Now we know that as per the third 20-year road plan, the road density is 82 kilometer per 100 kilometer square area into area is given as 308,000. After solving this, we will get the answer as 252560 kilometer. So the total road length will be the maximum of these two. So it will be equals to 252560 kilometer. That will be the total road length as per the third 20-year road plan. Now we have to compute the length of rural roads. So the length of rural road will be equals to total road length, which will be equals to 252560 minus length of national highway, which will be equals to 6160, plus state highway, which will be equals to 12320, plus major district road, which will be equals to 24640. After solving this, we will get the answer as 209,440 kilometer. That will be the length of rural roads. So we have to give the answer in the form of classification of Lucknow road plan. That is, the first road is primary road. Now primary road will be equals to sum of express highway plus national highway. Now we don't have the length of express highway, so it will be equals to only the value of national highway, which will be equals to 6160 kilometer. Now the second one is secondary road. It will be the sum of state highway plus major district road. Now we had computed the value of state highway as well as major district road, which will be equals to 12320 plus 24640. After adding this, we will get the secondary road as 36960 kilometer. That will be the length of secondary road. Now we will compute the value of rural road. It will be equals to other district road plus village road, and its length will be equals to 209,440 kilometer. So we had computed the value of length of primary road, which will be equals to 6160 kilometer, length of secondary road, which will be equals to 36960 kilometer, and length of rural road, which will be equals to 209,440 kilometer. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.